Are you filming him?
Yeah.
Jesse, come walk to mommy.
Jesse, come on. Come on. Come this way.
Look at you. No, we can walk back over there. Whoa.
Get up. Oh, come on. Over here.
Walk to brother. Call him, Braden.
Jesse. Jesse. Come here. Come here, Jesse. Jesse, look.
Thanks, Jesse. Go walk to Braden.
Jesse, look.
Brother has your vacuum. Go walk to your brother.
This.
Here he comes. Oh. Here he is.
Okay, stand up.
Yay!
Good boy.
Stand up and vacuum.
Come walk back.
Walk with your vacuum. Walk.
I don't know if he can. Oh, he can. Look at you. Get out of the way, Brady. Thanks.
You do what mommy does? Jesse. Vacuum. Vacuum. Oh, yep, I think we could. Dad, your foot's in the way.
Christmas Eve 2010.